Hey, just want to do a quick little short update on the painting for the M38. Gone ahead and hung everything up and painted the windshield frame, the fenders, grille, hood, and all these little small components like the bumperettes and all that. So I'm going to show you that right now. The body is still in process. We're still going to be working on that for the next probably month to 2 months before that's all finished up. And then I'll show you videos when we get into that segment about mounting it, painting that portion as well and getting it all done. But here's a quick little update on where we're at with everything so far. All right, here's the freshly painted grille, front and back. Again, this is 2430 OD color, OD 2430. Bumperettes painted. We're going to remount those today. Went ahead and painted the pintle as well for the back. There's the other bracket for the lifting shackle. Repainted our windshield frame. Let's get the light turned on here. Looking pretty good. Backside. And I didn't rattle can these. What I did was I actually I'm using the remaining portion of the gallon of paint that I bought. Here's the fenders. I'll pull everything down and we'll get a video of it outside as well in the sunlight. But this is the paint that I'm using right here. I ordered it online a while ago when I did the painting of the frame. So what I'm going to plan to do is, obviously I'm gonna have to buy another gallon of paint. That one's about used up for all this stuff. But I'm gonna buy another gallon, and we're going to buy some rattle cans as well, just to do touch-up spots, and like the grill brackets and stuff like that are gonna have to be done. But it's looking pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with how it came out. Not perfect, but again, as they say, it's called, battle ready. I'm not looking for perfection on this project. I don't want it to look like it rolled off the factory floor. I want it to show, kind of the history that it's had and some of its scars and blemishes. So we'll get these out in the sunlight and I'll show you what they look like. Okay, here's a better look at the windshield frame outside. There's a few spots on it I'm gonna have to hit with some rattle can paint, but it's looking pretty good. I am very satisfied. For those that saw the videos before, what this material looked like before, they're pretty rough. Now, these runs in the paint, you can see right here, this is all from when it was painted with a brush when it was in service. And again, I want this thing to look, like it would if the military painted it in the motor pool. So I left those blemishes in the paint. There's some people out there would tell me I'm crazy, but again, this is my project. So this is what I'm doing with it. But I'm happy. It looks good. All right, so we've got our pintles remounted back up, or excuse me, our bumperettes and our pintle mounted back up. Looking pretty good. All right, so I went ahead and bolted up the grill and the fenders. Looking pretty decent. Again, see here's some spots that I missed when I painted because of the way the thing was hanging. But I'll get some rattle can that. It's starting to look like a Jeep again. Starting to look like a Jeep again. So tomorrow I'm gonna put the headlamps back in. I'll put those back together. I'll get a video of that. And then the hinges, I'm just gonna rattle can those as well. And I'm gonna put an order in today for a few items that we'll need for painting, and then also I'm going to order a new front bumper for this Jeep as well, so that'll be coming up. Thanks for watching. Just want to say thank you to everybody that's following the channel. I'm sorry this was a short video, but it's where we're at so far, and I'll do another video when I get an update on the Jeep body, which should be in the next 30 days.